Hi, my name is Santa and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make my Lia bra. You can download the pattern from the link in the description box. Print it in A4 format and it's available in sizes 70A to 90B. From your fabric, you will cut 2 central cups, 2 side cups, 2 band pieces and 1 band piece on hold. You should end up with 7 pieces in total before we start sewing. Then cutting lace, make sure the scalloped edge runs along the bottom of the cup. This gives your bra that beautiful lace finish along the neckline. Hold your lace right sides together before cutting and double check that all notches and markings are transferred. Let's start building the cups. Take your 2 central cup pieces and place them right sides together. Pin along the central edge, that's the straight line running down the middle of the cup. Sew with a straight stitch using a 1 cm seam allowance, then press the seam flat with your iron. And let's connect the side cup to the central cup. Place them right sides together, align the notches and pin carefully along the curved edge. If your lace is stretchy, you can baste it by hand first, what helps keep everything smooth while sewing. And in the same way, attach side band pieces, one to each cup. Pin them right sides together, matching the edges carefully, and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance. Now that everything attached, your bra front should look like one continuous piece, the cups flowing smoothly into the side bands. Let's press all the seams flat with your iron. Use a low to medium heat setting and press. Don't drag, especially if you are working with a lace or delicate fabrics. This step makes a huge difference. It helps the seams lay perfectly flat and gives your bra that polished professional look right from the start. To give your bra a clean finish inside, you have a few options. If you have a serger, you can simply serge all the seam allowances. It gives a neat, professional look. Or if you are using a regular machine, trim your seam allowances down to about 3 mm and finish them with a zigzag stitch. For the central seam, you can go one step further and close it with a narrow strip of elastic and sew along both sides with a zigzag stitch. Also, you can stitch a thin line of silicone tape along the scalloped edge of the cup. It's totally optional, but this helps the lace keep its shape and prevents stretching over the time. So take your band piece that cuts on hold and place it right sides together with the bottom edge of your bra front. Make sure the scalloped edge of your lace is facing up. Pin or baste it carefully in place. And sew along the bottom edge with a straight stitch using a 1 cm seam allowance. Measure the entire bottom edge of your bra, mine is 61 cm. To make sure the elastic fits snugly and doesn't stretch, subtract 10%. That's about 6 cm, so I'll cut my elastic to 55 cm in total. Start by pinning the elastic to the seam allowance with a scalloped edge facing down, and then make sure the elastic is pinned evenly along the entire bottom edge. It should sit right on the top of the seam allowance, and then stitch it with a zigzag stitch and trim extra fabric. And then unhold the lace band, press it with an iron and make the second zigzag stitch close to the picot edge. Measure the bra sides like the band. Cut the elastics to size. Attach picot edge elastics along the edges, stretching slightly as you sew for a snug fit. Measure 5 cm from each side and pin. This marks where the strap elastics will attach. Attach the strap rings to the bra cup tops and stitch the straps into the place with a zigzag stitch. Make sure to secure everything firmly, the seams get a lot of wear. Take the extra strap elastic and thread it through the ring. Pull about 1 cm through. This little extra bit just make it easier to pin and sew. Trim the elastic to the length you need, making sure both sides are even. And next stitch the elastic securely, first close to the ring and then again at the bottom where it meets the bra's back elastic. Make sure your stitching are strong since the area takes a lot of tension. Now we are attaching the closure, and this is a final step. Hook on the left side, eye on the right. Pin them in place, baste for a clean finish, then sew with a zigzag stitch. I didn't have a black closure today, so I will finish this part behind the scenes once I get one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye!